4-pin base. Push button. 1K resistor. BC547 transistor. 5mm green LED. Connect the 1K resistor with optocoupler 4 and 1 number pin. Connect LED's positive terminal to optocoupler 4th number pin. Connect 1K resistor with LED's negative terminal. Connect a 1K resistor with optocoupler's 3rd pin. And connect transistor 2nd pin with optocoupler's resistor. Connect transistor 3rd number pin with LED's resistor. And connect push button's 1st terminal to optocoupler's 2nd pin and another terminal to the transistor 1st pin. The circuit is ready now, and connect a power supply as shown in the video. Read this note before using it. First, set it in right alignment. Here is the circuit diagram. Here you can see when I press the button, it glows for a few seconds and goes off. It means this one is defective. Set another one. As you can see, when I press the button, the green LED glows up, and when I release the button, the LED goes off. It means that one is okay. I hope it will help you a lot to test an optocoupler. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.